When I think about classic timeless colors, I would always say white is the most timeless look. I'm sort of a history buff. I love old American architecture, both on the East Coast and then like down south. And I always see these just gorgeous, 1800s plantation homes, and then just kind of the old colonials, and they're always white, or even just an off-white color. Even though it may not be the most trendy, like you see these dark grays or even blacks starting to become a trend, I think for that timeless classic look, whether you go with a nice crisp white siding or an off-white siding that maybe has a touch of gray in it. I'm not a fan, and neither are our clients historically, of the off-whites that lean on yellow. So we try to lean away from that because the sun can really make a difference on that and give it kind of a yellow hue. But I think anytime you look at your very light colors, so white, cobblestone, even like a pearl gray, something that's very ageless and really never goes out of style. And so that's where I usually educate people, and most people know at this point. That's what I love about clients in the modern era now, is that there's so much information on the internet. They can get so much inspiration from various websites that our clients tend to know. And so, but again, using those design renderings so they can see it on their specific home to know if it looks good is a huge win for our clients. And so it really helps with color decision process.